Hello, my fellow investors. This is Andres, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my M1 Finance investing portfolio called the Moneymaker. So, yep, this week is another bad week. I lost again this week, but as you guys can see, all in all, I'm still winning. But the bad news is that my account has only $9,800 now. So I reached my goal 2 weeks ago. That was my 10K goal, but now my portfolio is now less than 10K. But the market doesn't always go up, but I believe that this will go back up to 10K again. If not next week, maybe 2 or 3 weeks from now. So this week, I did not invest any money, but I sold two stocks and I bought one new stock. And you will find out what the new stock is once I go through my buy. For you guys who are new to my channel, welcome. This is my 100% stock pie called the Moneymaker. Now let's go through my stocks and let's see how I did this week. And I will change this to week. And then we're about to see some red. We'll save the no dividend for last. So we'll go to my technology first, which is 35% of my pie. For this week, NVIDIA, I lost $42.77, which is down 3.63%. Microsoft, I lost $49.16, which is down 4.77%. Skyworks, I lost $15.12, which is down 2.06%. And the newest addition to my tech stocks is Apple. I added Apple because the market crashed this week and I feel like it's one of the good times to get some Apple shares. That's why I added Apple on my portfolio. For my Apple this week, I lost $12.69, which is now 2.15%. Alright, so for my technology this week, I lost $119.74, which is down 3.39%. I did not earn any dividends. Also, this is a lot. Nasdaq was just bad this week. All the tech stocks went down. That's why you're seeing a lot of losses for this week. Let's go to my consumer, which is 10% of my pie. This used to be 12%. For my consumer this week, like I said in the beginning of my video, I sold one stock and one of them is from my consumer, which was PepsiCo. I know a lot of you guys are keeping PepsiCo because PepsiCo gives a decent dividend, but for now, I just don't want to invest in it. Maybe I'll add PepsiCo in the future. For McDonald's this week, I gained $14.29, which is up 2.94%. Procter & Gamble, I gained $1.88, which is up 0.39%. So as you guys can see, we have a winner after all, and that is my consumer slice. I gained $9.22, which is 0.94% return. I did not earn any dividends. Now let's go to my finance, which is 8% of my pie. So for my finance Visa, I lost $16.10, which is down 2.03%. I did not earn any dividends. All right, let's go to my industrial, which is 6% of my pie. One of the stocks that I sold was from my industrial. I sold waste management. I know waste management is a pretty good stock, but right now I just want to concentrate on having less stocks, so I decided to go with Honeywell. So for my Honeywell this week, I lost $1.61, which is down 0.27%. I know my industrial says I lose $4.03. It's because I lost some money from my waste management. That's why I have more losses than the $1.61. So my industrial, I lost $4.03, which is down 0.68%. I did not earn any dividends. All right, let's get to my communication, which is 6% of my pie. Verizon Wireless, I lost $6.61, which is down 1.13%, and I did not earn any dividends. Now let's go to my no dividend, which is my biggest loser for this week. One of my biggest stock has lost a lot this week. My no dividend consists of 35% of my pie. Tesla, I lost $217.57, which is down 9.90%. Wow, so it's another loss for Tesla this week. Hopefully, the Tesla will go up in 2 weeks because of the battery day. So we'll see, and hopefully we'll see some more gain in the upcoming weeks from this stock. Square, I lost $49.21, which is down 5.53%. Roku, I lost $19.24, which is down 2.77%. So as you guys can see, my no dividend was such a big loser again this week. I lost $286.02. It is down by 7.56%. So like I said earlier in the video, it's mostly red. I'm actually surprised that consumer won this week. I know this is just a temporary, and I feel like this is the best time to buy more stocks anyway. So if you guys have extra money, just keep buying stocks, especially now that they are down. Just think of it as a sale. Buy them while they're down, and then if you're a trader, then you can sell them when they go up. But for me, I'm gonna hold most of this. So for my moneymaker this week, I lost $423.28, which is down 4.12%. I did not earn any dividends. That's it, guys. That's it for this week. So, like I always say, keep investing and keep growing that wealth. I'll see you guys again. My wealthy people, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave some comments to show some love. Again, this is Andres telling you to stay true to your path to wealth. Until next time, see you.